Hi everyone, this is Glenn from Bluenium, and today we're going to be talking about why you would want to have a three-dimensional website. And this is a company called Exterior Exteriors, and what they do for a living is sell siding. Now, their normal website is really great, and they do have a lot of traffic that goes there. But one of the things that they really wanted to be able to do is connect to more people. So, one of the things that you don't want to do though is connect to people and be pushy. So how would you build a new way to be able to communicate to people on a non-intrusive way? So the solution is the 3D. So what we've done is we've created a way that when somebody comes to the website that they can actually interact with the room itself. So in this case, what we did for this company was we built them a customizable, clickable control. Now, it looks here that I have actually been here before, and so when I show up, of course, it's going to tell me and sends a message to the owner of the website. So that's a very, very important component in trying to understand why you would want to have a three-dimensional website compared to a two-dimensional website. Of course, you could do this with a two-dimensional website where if somebody was to go to the web page, you could be notified. However, you don't have a great way or an easy way or a non-obtrusive way to jump in with that person. Another reason that three-dimensional websites are really important as we start looking at them is because some companies, like a siding company, would need to show off the different types of siding and be on location anywhere in the world in real time. So it's very difficult for you to kind of grasp the concept unless you actually can see the siding itself. A lot of it is emotional control too, by the way. So in other words, I am thinking about getting my siding done on my house, and because I can go to a virtual siding company that I can actually change, in this case, we're going to change the siding on the house. And we're going to pick from some different colors here. London brown, and as you can see here, this is actually the dark color what it would be. And it gives people a way to kind of interact. What's really going on though is that the individuals that are looking at the siding and doing things in real time, it gives the ability for the person who actually owns the website to actually jump in and say hello to them. There's a difference between spamming to somebody and pushing it down their throat and say, hey, I'm a salesman, I want you to buy from me, than it is when a salesman says, hello, I'm here to help you. It's actually a positive thing. So in this case, what you have is a very simple way, non-obtrusively, where the users on your website can go and they can interact with the site. If they want to get a price, that sends the owner of the company a live message and you a message saying that it's been done. So that's a really powerful, easy way to look at it. And plus, another thing is that in the control panel, which you're going to learn about soon, is that we are actually recording the data of what's happening and any conversations that are happening while somebody's in a three-dimensional room. So it's a clear decision. Why have a three-dimensional website? It's as simple as this. You connect to the people that are going to your website. It gives them a way to interact with you. It builds an emotional connection. And overall, it's enjoyable. Thanks again. This was Glenn. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.